Hello friends, this is teacher JV. Let us study grammar in pieces. Grammar in pieces. In English, past tense, regular, ed has three sounds. T after a voiceless ending, d after a voiced ending, and finally it after t or d ending. So first one, voiceless sounds are ch, f, s, sh, ch, and this one ending. So they are voiceless. When a word is ending with these sounds, ed sounds like t. And then these are voiced consonants plus vowels. They are voiced endings. B, d, g, j, l, m, n, ng, r, z. This one, even though this is th, it has the voiced sound. V, w, l, z. They are all voiced consonants with the vowels. When a word is ending with these sounds, this ed sounds like d. We are going to have some examples a little bit later. So if you take a look at the words, so this is ascending, which is voiced. So it sounds like t. So you read this: missed, fixed, liked, stopped, left, rushed, worked, watched, and developed. And these are voiced ending. So this one, as you see, it's a vowel sound. Vowel is always voiced. So you read this: played, arrived, used, called. So this one, don't say called, just say called. Allowed, cleaned, annoyed, compared, analyzed. And these are T and D endings. So it sounds like it. So you say wanted, or you can say wanted. Printed or printed, hated, hated, started, started, attempted, decided, ended, guarded, and exploded. So let's take a look at some examples. Sandy, so this is voiceless. Sandy walked to school yesterday. James stopped smoking last year. He waxed his car. She cooked for the family. So first of all, L doesn't make a sound. You say walk and walked. And the case of stop, it's a one syllable word with consonant vowel consonant ending. So when you put ed, you put an extra consonant. You read it as stopped. And even though it's one syllable word, consonant vowel consonant, but when it is ending with x, y, wxy, wxy, you don't double the last consonant. Just say waxed. She cooked for the family. And these are consonant voiced sound. So you read the sentence like, she called her daughter in Korea. Tom studied English at school. We ordered seafood lunch. They dried their shoes. And these are t and double T sound here. She wanted to eat pizza. Mom needed a scarf for me. John painted his apartment yesterday. They petted their dog. So if you take a look at knit, K-N-I-T, one syllable word, consonant, vowel, consonant. When you put ed, put an extra t, and you read this needed. And then here pet, P-E-T, one syllable, consonant, vowel, consonant. When you put ed, put extra t. So you read this, petted. She wanted to eat pizza. My mom needed a scarf for me. John painted his apartment yesterday. They petted their dog. And now the ending. I needed $2. My teacher graded my exam. So the ending, you pronounce this as it, graded, and needed. I needed $2. My teacher graded my exam. And James folded the paper. Sherry had it out quickly. Okay, friends, this is the conclusion of today's study. I will come back to you with another piece as soon as possible. Until then, keep studying English and have a great day. Bye.